I'm a US CPA from Rhode Island, but I've been living in Europe for basically the past 11 years. I started my career with PwC in Boston, focused on auditing tech companies, but I always wanted to live in Europe for a little while, and I was recruited to move over to Frankfurt to work for a joint German US listed company to do their SEC reporting. By the way, I didn't know really anything about Germany or know any German at the time, but I decided to take the leap and try it for a year. And now 11 years later, I'm still here. I actually went back to PwC in Frankfurt as a local hire, and that's where I've gotten the bulk of my technical experience working in the cross-border accounting space. I actually specialized in taking European companies public or doing GAAP conversions when there were acquisitions happening between the US and Europe. And so that's where I have my technical experience from now. I also spent a couple of years on secondment with them in Dubai, where I worked on different US IPOs. I worked on an Egyptian IPO, some UK facing work as well. And then I spent 3 years in private equity working for a Toronto based company, building up their European finance team from scratch. So I have the combination of the big four and the industry experience combined with 11 years in the cross border space. So it's really hard for people to compete with me in what I do. So if you're a European company that's looking to bring in US stakeholders, reach out and let's connect.